It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I thought the other day about possibly doing a new series. Of what, I wasn't sure. And today it came to me, I could actually do meals for one person, because although there's me and Lurch, he works shifts, so every other week I'm just feeding myself. And I'll show you how I do it and get ready for it. I mean, sometimes I will cook a meal for me and Lurch and save a portion in the freezer, and then I'll have it while he's at work. So it's basically like a free meal, because if I put it on his plate, he'd eat it. But we had a mixed grill last night, so I saved two of the sausages. One's beef, one's pork. I could use them both in tonight's meal, but I think I'm going to make two meals out of these two sausages. So I'll be collecting other things and getting them ready. I'll show you when that's all done. So this is the prep I've done. I've got a whole potato and I've diced it up. 2 tomatoes. I did 2 salad peppers, which are green and yellow. Half of them I've put in here for tomorrow. Medium-sized onion, half there, half for tomorrow. There's also 2 tomatoes in here as well. And I've cut the sausage up. So I'll put the sausage in a container, and that's already the majority of prep for tomorrow's meal is done. This meal now, I'll bring you over to the cooker. I have a large pan, saucepan, skillet, frying pan, whichever you want to call it. I'm going to put a little dash of olive oil in it, and I'm bringing this up to a high temperature. And I've just remembered, I've got some garlic in, so I'm going to put garlic in it as well. The first things I want to go in here are the potatoes. So I just want to blow it up. I basically want to cook these through and get the skins nice and crunchy. So I'll leave them on here, stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes. It's had 10 minutes now, and halfway through cooking time I added a pinch of salt and those onions. Now I've put half of the cut sausages in there. About half, isn't it? 2 more, that'll make half. And I'll just let it go for a few more minutes to carry on getting nice and crispy. about a couple of minutes with the sausage in. So now I'm going to add the peppers, tomatoes and the garlic. And I think this is going to be more than enough for me. And the handle is getting hot, so I'll put on my salting. Now, if there wasn't quite enough, because I haven't got much in, I would actually take a little well in the centre and crack in a couple of eggs. Or if I hadn't used meat to give me the protein there, I'd put in a couple of eggs. But this is going to be more than enough for me. And I'm going to add, not that much, a bit of my powdered spinach to it. And that's it. Check the potatoes are fully cooked. Also check the seasoning, and I actually like to add this sweet chili sauce. And that's it. You can see it's quite a bit, quite a filling meal for me. Basically from one sausage. Because I had two sausages, and one's going for tomorrow's meal. But potato, pepper, lovely. And there's that sausage, well, one of the pieces of it. Okay, bye.
It's a perfect